Ay.
Yes, sheep. Only sheep, no camera on.
No camera. Grabe, ang bilis. Unbelievable yung bilis niya, oh. Unbelievable fastness. Unbelievable speed. Unbelievable speed. Grabe, oh. Grabe yung bilis, oh. Uy. Grabe, oh. Grabe yung speed niya, eh. Too fast. Grabe. Throttle full. Right. Ooh.
A few moments later.
Hi.
Yes, sheep. Only sheep, no camera on.
No camera, only speedboat.
This one very nice, huh?
You from
China.
China? Made in China.
Oh yeah, yeah. Also from China.
Very fast,
Yeah.
very cheap. Price is cheap.
You from?
Here from the
Oh,
Philippines.
you from?
Cheap, affordable.
Yeah.
But it's not in the original box anymore.
It's okay. As long as you can play.
Yeah. Good thing there was no damage,
Yeah.
because it was just placed in a cardboard and then they just taped the cardboard.
Ah, yeah.
It's not in the original packing, but still all right. No issue. And I'm happy.
A while ago, I was saying to my friend, I said, maybe this one can use for fishing.
Yeah, possible, but I guess you have to
You put the
some releasing mechanism.
you put the hook.
Yeah, hook. Yeah. Or maybe you can
But only small fish lah.
yeah,
With a big fish, you're safe no more.
or you can have the hook tie in the boat, then you just have to
just move the
like this, and then the fish will
yeah. Move it on the bank.
yeah,
Very nice, huh?
too fast.
Wow. How far it can run?
Like 100 meter.
100 meters?
Yeah. Then 100 meter you lose control. This it disconnect.
Out of the... Not too far.
Not too far.
Otherwise you have to move.
Yeah. You have to swim.
Yeah.
You have to sacrifice you have to swim.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Nice.
Too fast.
What's this? This is a GoPro.
DJI from China also.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, DJI,
I know
Dajang.
GoPro, ba?
No,
Dajang, yeah,
no,
Dajang.
Dajang. DJI, the maker of.
It's not GoPro.
No, not GoPro. It's like a GoPro competitor.
Oh, yeah. Dajang is good in making those cameras.
Drones, yeah, DJI drones.
Do you like drones also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because
Actually, I have a
you have drone.
RC plane, but I already fly it, and it's already low-bat. I already fly it before.
You really tech lover, right?
Yeah. I love this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
RC toys like that, drones,
Yeah.
RC planes. It's a different kind of technology.
Yeah.
It's unusual.
Yeah.
Not everybody's playing RC stuff.
And also here is it's a good area for this.
Yeah, especially for RC boat.
Can this lake for swimming?
I think no. You can swim, but
Very deep, I think. This.
there's a swimming pool there. I think.
I see.
Are you just here for vacation?
Yeah, vacation.
Oh, good.
Can for fishing here.
Oh,
Can do fishing here.
yeah. You just have to hide.
Someone will come
Yeah. Someone will come. But
better in the sea.
but if you stay there, no one will come because it's too far already. At the other side.
They don't want to watch.
Yeah. And it's too hot.
Yeah. Most of the people who do fishing, they will release. They will release the fish.
Yeah. Here no. They cook.
Yes. Yeah, it's convenient.
They don't release, they cook.
Yeah, it's convenient.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
for
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.